As part of Nissan's activities, we have to look at the reduction in energy consumption and CO2 emissions and cost. Every bit of cost we can take out will affect the cost of the price of cars. So we've investigated and we've moved from conventional belt-driven centrifugal fans to plug fans to reduce energy consumption and cost.
Once the unit has been safely isolated, Munters engineers begin by removing the access panels and guards to the fan chamber. This exposes the original 15 kilowatt IE1 motor and belt-driven scroll fan arrangement. This system is typically only 42% efficient, with losses being encountered through belts, pulleys and the fan design. Further panels are removed to allow safe access and egress of the chamber. Munters engineers start to unbolt the existing fan and motor from the fan chamber so it can be safely removed. The removal of the old system typically takes 2 hours to complete. Further metalwork is removed, creating an empty fan chamber. The fan chamber is prepped and cleaned, ready for the new plug fans to be installed. New base frame and anti-vibration mounts are installed. For this project, Munters has selected two 5.5 kilowatt high-efficiency plug fans. The first plug fan is safely lifted into position. Detailed measurements are taken to ensure correct positioning. With both plug fans correctly positioned, final fixing can take place. The motors are prepared to receive their electrical supplies, carried out by Munters electrically qualified engineers. With all wiring complete, the fan bulkhead installation can begin. Precision tooling is used to provide accurate measurements. Munters uses prefabricated steel sections to reduce installation time. With the bulkhead safely installed, Munters engineers seal the bulkhead and install pressure tubing into the fan inlets. Following mechanical and electrical installation, Munters engineers carry out operational checks of the fans at low speed. Checks are now complete. All panels are reinstalled and the plug fan upgrade is operational. A high-precision data logger is installed to record the energy consumption post-upgrade. Pre- and post-energy consumptions are calculated to provide accurate return on investment and energy cost savings. For this project, the energy saving between the old and new fan totaled £39,733. Over a 10-year period, this equates to a 21-month return on investment period. Estimated savings, £119,000 in running costs. Return on investment, less than 2 years.
Following on from the plug fan upgrades, what we found is we've actually increased the capacity of the units for the same amount of energy being used. So in effect we get more meters cubed of air conditioned for the same cost energy-wise. Production facility, it means now we have more capacity, we have better control of the clean room conditions, and also we have more redundancy built into the system. So we've gained ourselves resilience in our operations here.